Hi guys, today we will talk about how to change your last name on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, we will go to now how can you do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, just click here on save. Then you come to your profile here on next window. Then you just go up, you click here on up. Then it's going to show for you this window like this. Then you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here in this window. Then you just click here on public profile. Then you come to this window here like you say. Then you just click here on last name here, and you can add last name. So anything you want to add on your last name, then you just click here on done, and it's going to save your last name on your Pinterest app. So that's all you have to do on your Pinterest app. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe, and see you in next video.